Hi, this is Kinga from myhobbiescrochet.com. In this tutorial, I will show you how to crochet the star stitch in the round so that there is no visible joining seam and no gaps. I will also show you how to change colors seamlessly. Please check out the description box below this video. I will put a link to the written instructions of the star stitch that you can find on my blog myhobbiescrochet.com. I will also leave you some links to several patterns of mine using this pretty star stitch. Let's get started. To work the star stitch in the round, you will need an even number of stitches. I have already made a base of foundation single crochet stitches that I have joined into round. I have here 40 foundation single crochet stitches joined into round with slip stitch. I have marked my first stitch of foundation single crochet stitches. I will show you later why. Now let's start to make the first star stitch. For the first star stitch of a round, you will need to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, insert the hook into the second chain from hook. You will not count this loop on the hook. This will be the first chain from the hook, the second chain from the hook. Now insert the hook into this second chain from the hook, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the next chain, pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. You will insert the hook into the first stitch of previous round or row. In our case, you have now 4 loops on the hook. To make a star stitch, you will need to have 6 loops on the hook. So you will pull up loops from the next 2 stitches, pulling up a loop from the next stitch and 1 more from the next stitch. I have now 6 loops on the hook. I will yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook. To complete the star stitch, I will chain 1 a bit loosely. That will be easier to work into the next rounds, the next stitches. I have completed my first star stitch of the round. The next star stitches will be worked a little bit different. You will insert a hook into this chain 1 that closes the previous star stitch, pull up a loop. Now you will insert a hook into this last spike of the previous star stitch and you will pull up a loop. You have 3 loops on the hook. You will insert the hook into this stitch, same stitch where you have made the last loop of the previous star stitch, pull up a loop. You have 4 loops on the hook. You will now pull up loops from the next 2 stitches. You have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook, chain 1 to close the star stitch. I will show you again. Work the same for all the stitches of the round. At the end of the round, for the last star stitch, you will have 1 stitch left. I will meet you at the last star stitch. I'm at the end of the round. I have 1 stitch left. To work the last star stitch, you will insert a hook into the chain 1 that closes the previous star stitch, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the spike, the last loop of the previous star stitch, pull up a loop, insert hook into the same stitch where last loop of previous star was made, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the last stitch of previous round, pull up a loop. You have now 5 loops on the hook. You need one more. You will insert the hook at the base of the first star at the beginning of the round, just below the chain 3 of the first star stitch. Here where we have this stitch marker, I'm inserting the hook and pulling up a loop. I have now 6 loops on the hook. I will yarn over and pull through all 6 loops on the hook and chain 1 to close the last star stitch. I will remove the stitch marker. I will join into round with slip stitch to top of the first star stitch. This one here. Not into the chain 1 space, but into the top. The second round of the star stitch will be worked with half double crochet stitches worked into each chain 1 space that closes each star stitch. For each chain 1 space, you will place 2 half double crochet stitches. To start this round, I will slip stitch into chain 1 space of the first star stitch. I will chain 1 and work 2 half double crochet stitches into this first chain 1 space of the first star stitch. First half double crochet and second half double crochet. Now I'm working the same for each of the next star stitches till the end of the round. I will work only into the chain 1 spaces that closes each star stitch. 2 half double crochet stitches in each chain 1 space. And again. Work the same, and I will meet you at the end of the round to show you how to join into round. I'm at the end of the round. I'm working the last 2 half double crochet into the last star stitch of previous round. I will join into round by slip stitching into the top of the first half double crochet at the beginning of the round. If you would like to change colors, now is the time to do it. Yarn over with new color yarn and slip stitch with the new yarn. Tighten it up and begin the next round with star stitches. You will alternate these 2 rounds, 1 round with star stitch and 1 round with half double crochet stitches. If you would like to change colors, you will change colors after each 2 rounds, after finishing the round with half double crochet stitches. This is how my sample piece looks like after working several rounds, changing colors after each 2 repeat rounds, one with a star stitch and one with the half double crochet stitches. Here are my joining. They are not very visible, as you can see. I really love this stitch. It's really lovely. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos from me. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.